Hello, my friends. I want to walk through a question that's been asked of us on the MeWe platform. We have just started it, and thank you so much for those of you who have joined us. Please let your friends know about MeWe. Honestly, I've really enjoyed the platform. It is more intuitive than other platform startups, and so this has been encouraging to get on it. But one of the questions that has been asked is how to share content. And if you don't know how to set up MeWe to do that, then people outside of your contact list will not be able to share the things that you post on your page on MeWe. And so I want to give you a short video here to walk through how to share or to how to set up your post so that folks can share your content, those folks who are not inside your contact list on MeWe. And so you're looking at my MeWe account, and if you want to post something, well, you just click on this section here and you can post something. So let me go and I'm going to grab an article right out of our website. We're at rickthomas.net. I'm going to go to the resources link. I'm going to drop down to the article section, and then it will pull up all of our articles. By the way, if you're ever on our website and you want to read 1,000 articles on all sorts of topics, find the the most current articles, you can go to the blog roll, which is in the upper left-hand corner, listed current articles. I'm going to go down to here. Let's see. The best reason to change is so you can reach and help more people. I'm going to click on that article, and it will pull up. There it is. This is one of our shorter articles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL right there in the browser. I'm going to come over to MeWe, and I'm going to drop it right here. And there it is. Now, what you want to do as far as posting this article, you want to make sure that you have it set up to go public. Now, you see right here where it says post, right beside that, it says public. And I'm going to click on that, and it drops down. I think the default that you're going to find is that your articles are set up to my contacts, only your contacts that are in MeWe. If you look above this panel, you could switch over here to contacts to see how many people who are actually within your network. Now, you could click on that, or you could click it on close friends, and then you can go through your list here, and you can send it to specific people. So that's a nice feature if you want to do close friends. Now, if you want anybody to share your content, you have to click on public. And then what you could do is set as default for new timeline posts. Now, that's how I have mine set. And so anything that I post on my MeWe page, it automatically goes to anyone. And if I want to change a specific post to, say, a close friend or just within my contact list, then I would have to change it. Otherwise, you can just leave this as public. If you want anybody on MeWe, not just your friend network, to share whatever it is that you are posting. And so what you'll have to do is go in and do this manually. Again, I think the automatic default here is my contacts, and they do want to honor privacy, and so that's a cool thing. And then you can hit post. And I will go ahead and post this article here. I had posted it before, and there it is. Let me refresh, and it's there. And now anyone can share. You see in the bottom left-hand corner, it has a share button that you could click on, and you can share on my timeline in a group that you may have, a private message, or an event. And so there you have it. And of course, in the upper right where you have the three dots, you can edit it. You can feature it, which is the pin feature, P-I-N, where you can pin it to the top. You could delete it. Now, I have a pinned feature right here. It's a video of why we moved to Parler and MeWe. And I'm going to open this up, and you'll see it says unfeature. And so that means I do have it pinned to the top of our website. And you see here beside my name, it says featured post. But that's how you set up your MeWe account so that you can allow folks outside of your network to post. Thank you so much for watching the video.